If you're tired of spending hours weeding vinyl for levers hoodies, 1, what are you still doing using vinyl? 2, there's a better way. With Inktra heat transfers from Styles UK, you can produce high quality, detailed designs with no weeding required. Inktra heat transfers give you that premium soft touch finish that's perfect for school levers, clubs or teams. And because there's zero weeding involved, you can save hours of manual work, especially when scaling up to those larger orders. And what's even better, the pricing for Inktra scales with your business. The more sheets you order, the lower the cost per sheet becomes, and therefore your profit margins will increase. This makes it so much easier to offer profitable and professional levers apparel without the bottlenecks of traditional methods. Simply order your Inktra heat transfers online with EasyView. They'll come pre-printed and ready to be heat pressed. Load your garment onto the heat press, pre-press it for 3 to 5 seconds, and then apply your Inktra heat transfer. These apply at 160 degrees for just 10 seconds with a hot peel. Super quick application, no second press needed, and it's done. Premium, long-lasting levers decoration. No cutting, no weeding, no mess. So if you're ready to ditch the weeding and upgrade your production flow, Styles UK has got you covered. Head online to get started today.